guys. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to stop your render servers from spinning down, or how to stop any of your servers from spinning down. So basically, what you want to do is you want to add a monitoring service to it. This is a server, one of my backends that I hosted here. You can see. So what I need to do is I want to stop it from spinning down because um, I will show you. If I try to access the API, it takes some time. I click on it, it will take some time. You see incoming requests, all this showing you that it's spinned down. Now it's spinning up before you can use it. Yeah, this is bad because this is the backend for a application. Let me show you the app. Let's go to this website here. I will set this app here. Imagine the user wants to log in and has to have to wait until the server spins up. So there's a way we can prevent it from spinning down. And how do we do that? We can do that by going to this website called ProMailer. ProMailer, we add the monitoring service to the backend. So let's do ProMailer.xyz. PROMAILER.xyz. Yeah, sign up for an account. So I've already signed up. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. We want to head over to the management section. Uptime monitoring. Add a service to it. So this is going to involve you updating your backend. So you're going to add the endpoint to your backend that you want to. So which is you just copy the URL. So then you go back and add it. And then you want to add the intervals. You want this server to be monitored. So it's just like pinging how many minutes it will keep pinging it to make sure it is on. So let's leave it in 5 minutes. And then you click on close and create. So saying minimum interval for your plan is 10 minutes. So if you're on a free plan, the minimum interval. So let's change this to 10. So if you want 2 minutes, 3 minutes, ping it every 2 minutes, you need to pay for a plan. So and the plan, I don't think the plan is that expensive. Let's check out their plans. Their plans is not that expensive. Let's go to the pricing plan. You can see from $5. So $5 you get 5 monitoring, server monitoring every 5 minutes. Or $15 you get 2. So let's go back to this side and close and verify. So it's gonna ask us to verify this endpoint. So what we need to do is to create this endpoint on the server such that when it tries to reach this endpoint, it gets a 200 response. So I'm going to go to my backend. I need to open my backend and fix it. So basically, let me open that up. So you can just ask your AI to create the endpoint. So I'm just going to copy the instruction like this and give it to Copilot. You can use Copilot or Code, whatsoever you know, put this in auto. I don't need to use so I'm just gonna, so it's gonna create an endpoint, create the endpoint, and we're going to deploy it. So once we deploy it, we can now try to verify. So you can see your chat is almost ready. Seems something went wrong. It's just okay, still working on it. It's already working on it. I think it's still loading up. Okay, let's resend the message. So you can see still thinking. I think it's because of the model. So basically what it's going to do is just create a URL. Create a URL such that uh, when the server tries to hit this endpoint, it gets a 200 response. Yeah, so this verifies that you are the owner of the backend. So that's done that. Let's check what it did. You can see just added a endpoint. So whenever it sees this verification code, sends a response. So I'm supposed to return a 200 response. So just return 200 response. So it doesn't need to return the code back. So now we can just push it. Let's push it to Git. I'm gonna use this and say server monitoring added. And let's push it to Git. So once it's on Git, it's gonna compile in render. It's gonna redeploy. So let's go and check. So you can see that it is redeploying. So once the deployment is complete, we are set and ready. We can go back to verify it. So you can always go to check the deployment log. If successful, so I think the build is successful. Let's go back and see everything is okay. So everything is still deploying. A few minutes from now, it will be fully deployed. Let's see few. That should be like less than 60 seconds. Good. Now, once you see the green, you can go back, head back to the server, head back to your server here, and click on the retry verification. So it's gonna, you can see that's verified. So now it's going to be pinging the server every 10 minutes. So you can come here to monitoring alert, or you can see it here. So, but once you upgrade, you'll be able to see, the alert, but it will definitely be pinging it. Since you've added it, it will ping it every yeah, you can see here. It will show you can see the latency of the server when pinged. So now your server will not spin out, to ping it every 10 minutes. So I can try to log in now. It should not have spinned down. You can see that I just get logged in very fast. So you can see refresh. It will not spin down. It will keep pinging it every 10 minutes. So this is how you can prevent your servers from spinning down, or adding a monitoring alert to your servers. Whatever server you have, even if your server is on AWS, you can add a monitoring alert, to alert you whenever your server goes down. So whenever your server goes down, and has been down for 30 minutes, you get a mail. So if it's not yet up again after 2 hours, you get another mail. Then 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, you keep getting mails like that until your server comes on. So you can use this also to detect and monitor your server, to detect when there's an issue with your server. So this is how you guys can stop your servers from failing, from sleeping, or from spinning down. So see you guys next time.